Hey guys, Vinyl Vixen and Slim Sheddy here at WrapSesh.
What's going on?
Today we're just gonna have a little bit of fun. We were trying to figure out what we wanted to film today. As you can see, we don't really have very many cars in the background. We just have one we're doing some repairs on, our R2 Blue 2.
Not the wrap, the wing. The wing fell off.
The wing?
The wing fell off.
The wing fell off? Okay. Anyways, so back when we went to WrapsCon at the VIP party, they actually had a little contest where they were wrapping these cars and you could only use like knifeless tape and whatever materials they had there, and you had like 5 minutes or something. We thought it was super cool, and like we're trying to think of like unconventional things that we could wrap kind of on the fly, just to kind of give you an idea of like our creative side when we're in a time crunch, just to see what we come up with, right? Because we have like 2 totally different personalities.
Yeah.
And I think you're gonna see that on these cars. So these are just some cars we had lying around at the shop. I'm like, okay, well let's just do a freestyle little thing and see what we come up with. So that's what we're gonna do today. I think we're gonna give ourselves like 30 minutes to knock out the design. And we're doing pretty much whatever we want. We've got some of our tools and stuff, knifeless tape, and then we've got a bunch of scrap colors from our scrap box.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna wing it, right? Wang wang?
Wang.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well let's get started.
I'm not done. Hold on, I get to finish my
I gotta
panel.
finish my cut.
We're both like, I get to finish.
I can use it, and that's a wrap. Why is it still playing? I can't.
All right, so we are at our 30-minute mark. Neither of us finished, obviously. We're both like, wait, in the middle of cuts. But why don't you start with yours? What did you do and what colors did you use? What materials?
Well, I was going for a 2-tone look since it's an old classic. Usually it's a nice 2-tone.
It's a cool color combo,
It's a very
for sure.
complicated back here, so I had some trouble with this. I had to do some inlays.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice inlays.
What colors is that?
That is 3M Lemon Sting, and this is
Avery.
Avery Battleship Gray.
No, Gloss Dark Gray.
My bad. Gloss Dark Gray.
And the top?
The top is actually all tack from Brazil. We had a few pieces of that.
Which I actually really like that idea because it actually looks like a
rag top.
like
or
a rag
something.
top.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a material. It's a really cool textured
So
film.
it gave it a little bit of a texture
That's
up there.
pretty cool.
Then I was gonna throw the yellow up here, but I'll
Didn't
finish
get
it up
to there.
and you'll see the final product.
All right.
What'd you get done?
So I only got the sides done on mine.
Yeah, but yours looks finished.
But it looks cool, right? Because it almost looks like a three-tone. Yeah. I used 3M Glass Plum Explosion, and then this pink is 3M Neon Fluorescent Pink with 3M 180MC Marble, which is on a clear printable. So you can see right here, I threw it over top of the pink, and that's the effect I got. I was still gonna use a bunch of crazy colors, but that didn't quite happen for 30 minutes.
No.
But I think it's pretty cool, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You had the right concept.
Definitely had the right idea going. So I think we'll just maybe finish these up really fast. I hope you guys enjoyed watching our video this week. Kind of a fun little zangy thing for us.
Zangy?
On the fly.
Yeah. We
get
made this
weird.
up right before this.
Like
so.
literally right before this. We're like, oh, let's just wrap these cars.
We had-
Okay. That's how we roll. None of this is scripted. We don't practice. We don't plan. We just do whatever we have the day of, and that's how it works. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like to jam with the WrapSesh vibe. And we will see you next week, yeah? Sign off.